Hey everybody, this is Dr. J, Spike and Kamal, streaming live from Long Island, New York, where the weather is stormy.
It
Stormy
was
weather.
boiling
It
hot
was
earlier.
steaming. Now it's storming.
Yeah, it'll cool things off, won't it?
Nah, it just makes the hot wet.
Makes the hot wet. It's interesting.
My lawn is fried up
So, I'm getting a lot of sideways action in the market.
Yeah,
because
SMH went sideways.
the ERs were a mixed bag. You know, some of them did good, some of them did bad. So it was like,
And the SPY looks, remember the last time we were on the show together, Kamal, I said, looks to me like we're going to get more of a flagging at consolidation.
yeah, that's right.
And that's what we're getting. I don't see any big moves for another few days or a week. Well, probably both, the greater part of next week. And maybe we'll break north, but not yet. It looks like a couple of weeks of doing nothing. And the same for, I think Bitcoin was similar. I made that remark about a few charts, in particular.
It's just sort of hanging.
Professor Omar sees it being a turning point. He's
Yeah,
going back.
but he was looking for the big up before the big down. So now this is just a little burp.
Now he's looking for a small down before the big up.
Right, exactly.
But he did go short.
He did.
And he short the futures, and he's looking for as much as a 10% correction. And
That's the little correction.
and yeah, I don't agree, but sometimes he's right. Sometimes everybody's right. Sometimes he's been right long. Whenever he's long, he's been right because
Hmm.
this is a bull market. Let's take a look at the charts. People haven't figured it out yet that we're in a bull market.
Well, I certainly haven't.
Oh yes, you
I want
have.
you, I want you to
And
chart
I have been buying back. I'm not 50% cash anymore. Now I'm about 35% cash.
Yeah.
I play money.
I
I'll
want you
go
to
into
go
the
over
other browser.
CRCL,
This
please.
browser is Google Chrome is corrupted on me. I can't get the charts, so I have to use the Edge, Microsoft, and this is slow too. Maybe because of the weather. So Kamal, you've been noticing that we're hugging that bottom line, and we are. This is as spiders, you see, hugging the bottom line. But it does look like we broke out of that flagging pattern, doesn't it?
Yeah,
You see the flagging pattern? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of flagging of just it's narrow trading range, and now it's breaking north, so that's a good sign. Maybe we don't have to wait. Maybe we're already out of it. Maybe Professor Omar better change his bet.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like a right time to go short to me on the spiders, unless I'm
well, it's
missing.
hugging the line. So I don't know. And it went below the line one time. If you do the 1 month chart, it went below the line.
You gave me if you told me I had to bet $100,000 on SPY up or down, I'd be forced to bet up. So I beg to differ with Omar, but time will tell. Maybe Omar changed his mind by now. He could be low. He could have covered his short and be long. He changes quickly, but he thought enough of his change of heart to let us all know in a text.
Right.
So it worries me a little bit when Omar gets negative, but I'm still positive. Let's take a look at IBIT. very slow loading. IBIT was down today, along with Bitcoin. It's not loading. Maybe if I X out the first one. You think it's the weather?
I think you need to refresh.
I did just now. Maybe I'll go to the next chart. Try the next one. The next one is QuantumScape. Charts aren't coming in. Huh.
Try to do Control R.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There's QuantumScape. It made a lower load than 2 days ago. So I don't like that. I think it's going to come back down to that lower today, 11:20, and retest it. If it holds, it could be very strong. But if it doesn't hold, look for a give back all the way back. Something like halfway, $8.
Really? You know,
Something
I'm
like
thinking it's going to fill up that gap. You see that gap in the middle?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of gaps that it could fill in here, right? This one in particular. That's 997.
Correct.
I
That's the
can't
price you're waiting
gamble
for.
on. I can't gamble on this kind of stock. I'm sorry. I mean, it's just not me anymore. Maybe a younger version of me, not me.
Certainly making a bull flag.
It also looks like a channel going down at the beginning of
I
one.
bought this and I sold it twice. I made money both times. But again, for
Yeah,
swing,
but
not for long term. It's just a day or two.
I think the good times may be over
I think you're right.
for this one.
Well,
I
Kamal's
meant
not
to
getting
buy
back in again.
Pan W. Let's try this.
Looks like a flag there, right? No?
Yeah, exactly.
Does maybe it? Well, yeah. Maybe it'll go. Maybe the bottom is in, and it goes up from here. I don't know. I mean, it's craziness. It's got momentum, or maybe it comes all the way back down, as low as the 50 even.
I had a buy order today. I had a
At
buy
11?
order at 8, but it didn't reach that level. I think it reached 11:42.
If you play this one, you're playing with fire. It could when it goes up exponentially, it comes down exponentially. Usually. And all the Qs have been going up, so it makes it even worse. It's not like there's something special about this one. Maybe there is, and I'm not aware of the fundamentals.
Well, you want to do
But
QBTS?
let's take a look at another
compare?
Q. Yeah, that one's over 20, I think. I saw it at 20.
Yeah, QBTS is it's a little bit more stable, but it's having a get back also.
Well, it broke out it broke resistance. It's still trading above resistance. It came right down to resistance today. Right about that 1887 level. So I don't know. I wouldn't touch it because I think the fundamentals have to catch up to the technicals, or the other way around. So I think it's out of kilter. I think it's more like a $10 stock trading for 20.
Could you do CRCL?
I got that one somewhere. CRCL? No, I have the other one. CRIF?
No, I think I want to just see if it bottomed out because it's going in a horizontal channel, And I think today it hit the bottom of that channel. I was going to buy some.
Oh yeah, I'll look at circle after I look at this. This one looks very good.
Now,
Mining
did you
stock.
learn whether or not this was a bit mining or a metal mining?
I looked it up and I totally forgot.
Okay,
'Cause I didn't-
it was one of the two.
Oh yeah, obviously it's either real metal or Bitcoin, but I think it's a real metal. I don't know what it is, but I just don't remember it because I didn't buy it. I didn't stick. I just looked, briefly. But I like the chart. I think it comes back to that trend line goes up. So it's close to a buy around here at 620. I think you can buy it in the low sixes and run it up. Looks good. Very nice chart. I might buy it because I have very little money left. I'm totally invested except for some, loose change. This looks like the kind of thing I could put loose change into. AEHR is another one that looks good. Someone gave it to us.
Yeah,
Mantis?
I think so.
Was it Mantis? Yeah, Mantis. And the chart is very nice. I didn't look today. Up 22%? Really? Is that from the other day? Meanwhile, the chart's not loading it. Maybe the weather. Verizon, load my chart, please. So, Kamal, you got a joke as an interlude? We need to fill in some time.
Oh,
As
a
an
friend of mine sent me a joke yesterday saying, if you say to your wife you love her 24/7, today is the day.
Today,
Yesterday was July 24.
Oh, you are right. Very, very good.
good.
Do Control R, man. Control R.
Control R? Okay.
Mhm.
Control R.
There you
That
go.
was it. That was a winning move.
It's refresh. It's just a
Control
refresh.
R did it. Well, it's up against resistance now, but it's certainly strong. I think if it gives back, it only gives back to the 200 a little bit. So if I wanted, I would buy this one with my loose change. I got to decide. 1931 would be what I'm looking for. 1935 to go in. It's a beautiful cup and handle. And the top of the cup was right here at I can't read, high of 19 around 1876. The low of the cup, 6 and 27. So roughly 12 points. So if 12 points from 18 would be $30. $30 would be up here as a target. I mean, that's what the principle of the cup and handle is, give you a target. It never works, but it's besides the point. That would be a target.
Could you do CRCL?
Nice. What do you want me to do, circle?
Yes.
I will do circle.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Circle looks good, right?
It's in the bottom of a channel, so I was thinking of buying some. I've never bought it. I've never experienced it.
Yeah.
CRCL.
I got the wrong symbol. Wrong CL, right?
CRCL.
CL. I did it not right now. Let me go to the other thing.
Do you see how? Do you
This
see
has only been out a month. What is this, out a month or two?
Yeah, 2 months roughly.
I'm trying to get the year-to-date picture.
Well,
Nothing is.
I see a horizontal channel the past few weeks, and it looks like it's in the bottom or close to the bottom of that channel.
Yeah, all right. I could use this. It looks like we're in a trading range, actually.
Yeah,
Low end about 170, high end about 262.
yeah, it's a huge
Yeah,
range.
big range, but that's what it looks like. And you're getting a lot of action between the top and bottom. So when it's near the bottom,
It's near the bottom. I'm thinking maybe Monday.
it's not quite, the RSI is not quite overbought. So yeah, you could take a shot with this one. This is a stable coin. You know, it was very hot when it came out, this IPO. Went from $31 to what I just say, 287. I forgot.
200 something.
Yeah, from $31. So those who were fortunate enough to pick up the IPO did really, really well. I can't condense this chart. I'll go to the next chart. I don't know what's Tesla. I'd like to look at Tesla for
I like to
Control
look
R.
at this. Yeah, Control R.
That's work. All right, Tesla is converging at the middle of August. I think we'll be back to that 320 mark. What did it
I think it's
close
gonna
at?
be there sooner,
Yeah.
probably next week.
I'd like to see it take out the upper trend line. That would be nice. I think it eventually will. The question is when. So I think we'll be back to 330, maybe 350. Let me draw that 350 and make it happen. You know what I mean? By drawing it, it becomes a reality.
If you draw it, it will come.
That's right. If you draw it, it'll come. If you build it, it'll come. Kevin Costner. You like Kevin Costner?
Good actor. Fun movies.
You like him as an actor? No. Made a
I
lot
like
of
his
baseball
movies.
movies, didn't he?
Yep.
Yeah, that's looks like
355. Good target.
it looks like a ceiling, a resistance. Many
That's
hits
good
on
too.
that line.
Also good. I think it's a good target, on the upside. Doesn't have to make a new high to hit it. Make 30 points. That's not bad. Let's put in a sell at 348. You can make 10%. Of course, our opinions are strictly our own, not investment advice. Check with an advisor before acting. Well, I've been making so much money that I ran out of money.
Tesla could do this in 2 days. Could hit that line in 2
You know
days.
that I've been making so much money in the market that I ran out of money because I keep putting my money in.
You just keep reinvesting. You keep reinvesting your wins.
I can't keep investing. I'm all invested.
Yeah, if you're not gonna have a show anymore. If you're 100% invested in investments.
Well, I'll have to sell some bonds and put in more. I don't know what to do. Well, I guess I could start selling something that I consider junk. I have some junk, but then with the change I got, I was going to buy more junk. I don't know. I might as well be fully invested instead of leaving a little around. I'm about 99% invested. I mean, in a way, because I do have a bond portfolio which is separate from that, and I have a retirement portfolio which is totally separate from my investment portfolio. But for my investment portfolio, I am as invested as can be, as invested as I've ever been. All right. So Tesla, 350 target. You agree with me, Kamal?
I'm thinking 355, yeah, or 350, yeah.
Well, I drew it at 355.
Yeah,
I'll take a little less.
okay. SMH, can you do SMH? I sold all my shares.
Yeah, I
Oh, you
have that.
did?
I did SMH, but first I want to do control R. I got to do control R. I want to show mags. I bought some more today. Mags. I bought mags. It's kind of like a farm animal. Mags.
A goat.
Kind of. Well, I hope it's not a goat. Oh wait, goat has a good meaning now. Greatest of all time. It
Greatest
used
of
to
all
be
time.
dead. If you were the goat, you were the guy who made the error that lost the game, right?
That's correct.
And now, if you're the GOAT, you're the greatest of all time. So we're at resistance here, Kamal.
I see that.
Yeah, we're at resistance. We go through that.
Just hits it and bounce back.
Yeah, it could bounce back. Maybe. Well, we could just be flagging right here from 56 to 58. I'll draw it in small, like a small interlude of. We're flagging on the spiders. We're flagging on the Max 7. I think we're flagging. We're consolidating now. We're not going down like Professor Omar thinks. We're just chopping. Is this called chop? I think they call this chop. When it goes up and down, up and down. There you go. 56.72, 57.72. You got 1 point. It's been doing it for like a week and a half, right? 2 weeks. So we got to break north of that, and we'll make a nice pop. I think it's at an all-time high now, or close to it. Looks good. Let's see if I go further out. Oh, it's not quite at an all-time high, but very close. Pennies. You see that? Pennies.
Yeah.
The all-time high is.
All the averages line up
looks like
quite nicely.
58.69, the all-time high. No, a little higher. I don't know. It's $59. Whatever. Almost there. How about the Dow? Did that make a new all-time high today?
I didn't check.
Now?
I know that was the one. The Dow, the others all did. The spiders and the Nasdaq. The AWR did not. Ways to go on that one. You wanted to look at SMH, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. I added a couple of times to this one. You bought it right about 282. Kamala, if I remember correctly, you bought it at 282.
282.82.
All right, I'm close.
I didn't expect it to hit that, but it did, and I bought it. Sometimes I put a price
look at
that I
this
think
beautiful
it's not going
trend
to
line.
hit, but it does.
It broke through the beautiful trend line, but now we're at strong support. 281, very strong.
Yeah, that trend
Flagging.
line, I draw it differently, Dr. J. I draw it differently. Like it's more to the bottom. You follow?
You could draw it to the bottom. Yes, I see that.
Yeah, I draw it differently.
You could move it down.
Yeah, that's what I did.
To about.
Yeah, to about there. Yeah,
let's draw another.
Well, you're still
You
off
could
the
do
bottom.
that. My point is, we're flagging. We're flagging in this. We're flagging in SPY. We're flagging in Max 7. We're flagging. That's bottom line. I don't know how else to say it. We're
you remember
consolidating off a big run up. We're consolidating off a big run up,
Yeah.
That's all. 281 is a very firm bottom. If it goes below that, I'd be in trouble. I'd be watch out. I don't think it will. I think next move is up. We break 293.
You
Next
remember a couple
move
of
to
days ago, we were
300.
talking
How's
about
that?
the 50 was close to cross the 100. The 50-day moving average was gonna, it's gonna cross.
The 50 broke, it broke it broke something. The 50.
The
This
50
is the
is the red one.
50.
The 50 is the red one, right?
The 50 is the purple one that I got my cursor on. The red one is the 100.
Okay,
The 100 is 50 already broke the 200. This is the 100. 100.
I see.
So 100, the 100 is about to break the 200. Not immediately, but it looks like it's getting there. I think that'll happen along with the break to 300 on SMH. Target 300. Not a very long period of time. I think next week we begin to break out on earnings. We have Microsoft, we have Amazon, we have Meta. I think got a lot of earnings. Should be a very good week as all of them do well. Google set the tone.
They'll exceed expectations, but they may go down nonetheless.
They could. But I do like next week. I'm optimistic about earnings. What else do I have?
It'll be good. It'll be good long-term news.
I have
Did you look
nothing
at
else.
IBM? Did you look at IBM?
IBM, I'll do that. I love IBM, even with the downturn. I didn't have money to buy it.
I know. It's sort of.
I mean, I had some,
We also have a request for Lily, which is good. I
but
like that
chose
request.
not to. It's still well above the that trend line. And, let's see. That's 200. It's way above the 200. It's above all the averages. I'll try to draw a trend line in here. Right from the beginning, right? Right from the April lows. Every chart begins with the April lows. Exactly, Kamal.
Wow.
Look at that. Right, exactly. Yeah, and I didn't cheat. I drew the trend line from the left to right.
I like when you say I didn't cheat.
No cheat. Well, sometimes people accuse me of cheating. Slightly.
Yeah, I got a bunch of Alzheimer's stocks that say that.
What happened?
I said I have a bunch of Alzheimer's stocks that say that some people get accused of cheating.
Oh.
So what do you think? This is a buy now. It's hugging that trend line.
I'm a buyer of IBM if I had money. Maybe I have to cash a bond. I think it's going back to 300. I don't know if it ever got there, but it will get there. It came close. I think it hit 290. What was the high? Not that it matters. High was 296.
And we have a request for Lily before you would get off.
296 was the high, Professor Spike.
296.
Lily is what symbol? L?
LLLY. There you go. This was one of my picks for the year, but it's not one of the winners yet. Early on in the year,
You got a small cup and handle. If it plays out the small cup and handle, let's see, the high up here was 805 and the low down here was 760. So it's 45 points from the high. 45 points from 850. Let's draw in the target. Targeting 850 on the small cup and handle. That's what I get. There's so many cup and handles around, you know. I guess in a hot market, that's what happens. Targeting 850. There you go.
It's not. It's certainly not unreasonable to get there. But it's a very reasonable spot.
No,
I don't think I'm gonna.
Definitely.
I don't think I'm gonna sell till 1,000 again, or maybe 950.
yeah, I mean, this is a the best of the big pharma. If you own this one, I hold it. No reason
Yeah.
to get rid of it.
No, like we said, we
So-
had to trim. We had to trim early in the year because we didn't know what was going to happen in terms of revenues and.
I got rid of all my Qs. Like that. I got rid of anything with a Q because I
Oh, you
think
got rid of
that's,
all of them?
yeah, because they scam me now. I think they're too high, too fast. All of them. Tesla, I'm optimistic. I bet I didn't do Bitcoin or ETH. Which one should I do? Bitcoin or ETH? I'll do ETH. I haven't done it in a long time.
Yeah. Okay.
X, and then we'll call it that. Come on, where's the ETH? Right now, I'm looking at IBIT. IBIT is a buy. Right? It doesn't look like a buy. The lower end of the range. But ETH don't want to load. Try again. ETH. Oh, I say I did use the wrong symbol. This one.
Yeah, I'm using ETHE.
ETH US dollar.
For my internet, for my Ethereum plays.
Lo and behold, just like Bitcoin, just like the other one, IBIT, we're beginning to flag. Everything's resting, consolidating. That's what's happening now. You got a stock market that's tired. Had a very big run. It's got to rest. If you ran a mile, right now, Professor Spike, would you have to rest?
Yes, I would.
You have to rest. Yeah. Especially when there's been a little wear and tear on it.
Yes.
You're back in shape with the swimming, though, right?
Trying to be.
Swimming got you back in shape, right?
Got me. Well, I'm still not where I was as a swimmer. It's better than I was last year.
I didn't say that, but you're
But
rounding
it's
into shape.
over last year. Let's put it that way. And so I'm just looking for upward momentum.
Are you counting the laps?
Yeah, as opposed to time.
Okay.
I count laps. Eventually, I'm going to switch over to time again.
Okay, this looks good to me. I would be buying at the bottom end, 34.96.
Somebody
And
requested MCVT.
What is that?
One more?
Yeah.
One more. One more. What is it?
MCVT.
MCVT, Mill City Ventures.
North City ends?
M as in Mary.
Mill City. MILF City.
Whoa.
Why even bother talking about it?
I don't know the symbol.
M as in Mary, C as in cat, V as in volume, T as in TV.
Linus is praying for the killer app.
This is a man.
Oh my God.
I know.
You're a day late, man.
The stock we should have known about yesterday.
There you
go.
Did it do this? This is a freaking penny stock.
220%.
I can't wrap my head around this one. Not my kind of stock to analyze, but what goes straight up comes straight down. I keep saying that.
Yeah.
Be careful, please. What was the other
He
one?
said,
That
no,
was
all he was saying was that he was hoping for one of those in his portfolio.
What's the name of that app that everyone's? What's the name of that app that everyone's using in the supermarket to see if your food is healthy? That's the public company. Penny
Really?
Stock. Penny Stock. Is it Buka? I don't remember.
I'll have to ask my
BDS.
kids.
What is it?
I'm just kidding. I said BDS, but I'm just kidding.
He's kidding.
What's this?
I don't know.
I don't think that's it. I'm sorry, I don't remember. I think it was a penny stock. I don't remember the symbol. It's an app. I don't own the app, but everyone in the supermarket is clicking it. So I was thinking maybe throw a few pennies.
Right. It's the next TiVo.
Do you know what it is?
No, I haven't heard of it.
I see people stop in the supermarket. They use that app on it and the product number. All right, so that's it. We did good. I think we did good.
Good show.
We gave a very realistic point of view, I think. I don't kid around. I don't exaggerate. I don't talk about $10,000 Tesla, or I don't talk about $300,000 Bitcoin, although that would be nice.
Talk about it in 10 years.
Yeah. All right, Linus is in it. Art, we looked at it.
Yep.
Art, we looked at Linus.
Yes, we did.
All right, so we're satisfied.
Yeah. So, and for the people who are watching the recording, have a good weekend.
Have a nice weekend, guys.
Future thoughts.
You should.
Before you go,
feelings.
future
I
thoughts.
honestly have mixed feelings. Like,
Yes. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it. August 1st hasn't happened yet.
well, it's next Friday.
It's next Friday.
I'm going to keep buying. I'm going to keep buying Tesla until it gets back to the 230, and I'm probably going to add to Mags. And if I have any money left, I don't know
Buy a
what I
sandwich.
say about
By IBM.
How about IBM or cifr or I don't know.
Right.
Adios amigos and ciao.
Take care. All.
Bye.